This 5-minute solution will show you how to backup camera roll to Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to backup camera roll to Snapchat, and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Go ahead and open Snapchat. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Tap on the settings at the top right. Tap on memories. Tap on save button. And here select memories and camera roll or camera roll. Tap on back. Tap on auto save my story snaps and here select don't auto save. That's how we can backup camera roll to Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.